Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the FH201 or FH205 GPU not supported error in Forza Horizon 6. One of the most common causes of this error is an outdated graphics driver. To fix this, visit the official NVIDIA or AMD driver download page and install the latest driver available for your graphics card. After the installation is complete, restart your computer and try launching the game again. If the problem continues, the next step is to reset your DirectX shader cache. Corrupted shader files can sometimes cause the game to incorrectly detect your hardware. For NVIDIA users, press Windows and R, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Open the NVIDIA folder, then delete the DX cache and GL cache folders. For AMD users, open AMD software, go to Graphics, select Advanced, and click Reset Shader Cache. You should also verify the game files to make sure nothing is missing or damaged. If you're using Steam, open your library, right-click Forza Horizon 6, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any missing files. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.